Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Service Management Leadership. We do appreciate you joining us and spending your time on our channel. Today's topic has to do with event management and the activities for this process. Each process within ITIL has a set of activities that make up the process. And so we'll rapid fire these event management activities, hopefully with some context to help make it nice and easy to understand. So the first is when an event occurs, a notification is generated and the event is generated. It's detected or consumed by whichever tool you're using, and then it is filtered. So the event filtering is one of the biggest things in event management. It's trying to determine the correct level of filtering. Like, there are so many. You have to think in event management, they may have thousands or tens of thousands of events each day. And so they're trying to figure out, is this event at this threshold on this server, is this now to the point where we can filter it and make it an incident? Or do we just let it go on by? And so this filtering is the hardest part. And so the filtering will be into informational or warning or exceptional categories. Those are usually your three categories. And so an event comes in, we push it, hey, it's just informational. Ooh, it's a warning. Or, ooh, it's an exception. We got to really worry about this. And so then we go and we worry about the event significance. It's in these three buckets. And so we're like, how significant is it? So think about your informational events. A user logs on to a system. No big deal, usually, but it's just an event. If it's a warning, hey, memory's about to run out, we got to address that quickly. That's a great event, right? Maybe not great in a positive way, but it sure is helpful for us in our ITSM program. And an exception may be that we've breached an SLA or about to breach an SLA. We want to know that as quickly as possible as well, right? And so the next step is event correlation, where we're correlating these events in a programmed way that it's usually done in an automated fashion. So in our service design, we'll program in our ITSM, our event monitoring tool, these different levels of correlation, because we're trying to make sense of them. So all these events are coming in, they've been filtered, we understand the significance, now we're trying to correlate them, and it's programmed into our tool. This is automated, so don't overthink it. Next, we think about what is the trigger of this event. So if our correlation recognizes an event and a response is required, this trigger initiates that response, because that response could be an incident, that response could be, hey, we need to change out this hard drive, it could be any number of things. And so your response selection could go any different ways. It could be log an event, it could be an automated response. We get those on emails all the time, right? It could be human intervention, it could be you need to put in a change because swapping out a hard drive, it could be you need to open an incident, it could be, hey, you need to open a problem, this happened a lot. And so so once we make sense of this event and we figure out how we're going to respond, then all we have to worry about is our review actions, because we always want to have an after action review, don't we? And close the event. And the only thing I want to stress is that filtering is the toughest part. Event filtering is the hardest for companies and organizations to mature in. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. We thank you for joining us today. We ask that you like or share the video, subscribe to our channel, leave us some feedback below. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye.